All right, y'all, welcome to my channel once more. Let's go for another session. So we just need to make 2.41 to reach the target. Okay, so 100 bucks. So once I hit 100 bucks, I will start following this spreadsheet. Okay, so essentially we're gonna start with 100 bucks, and the main goal is to make another 100 bucks. So 2x, double up our money, 100%. And in order to do that, it will take me 30 sessions. Okay, so in 30 sessions, so the average is going to be 3.33 bucks per session. But some sessions we make more, some sessions we will make less. And as we go along, this target per session will potentially increase. So that means I will not have to risk the money that I've been risking in order to reach the session target. Essentially, that's that. And over here will tell me the remaining that I need to reach my target and how much I've made so far. Okay, so that's gonna be for the next session if we reach the 100 bucks balance. Okay, so for now, let's try to make that 2.41, and then we're gonna talk about the targets. Which one is it? This one right here. Okay, this one looks good because it's on the uptrend, but uh, it doesn't look like it's gonna have a continuation to the upside because it's sort of still going down, 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 down. Let's have a look. Okay, it's pushing. Uh, it's pushing. It's actually going up. Oh, it's pushing hard. Ooh, it's dumping hard now. And yeah, I feel like I lost it because this is the second candle. This is the third candle. It's already indecisive. So it doesn't look like it's gonna have a continuation to the upside as yet. Okay, this one is on a downtrend, but it's no, it didn't broke. Uh, uh, um, okay, leave it alone because it's trading above the 50 SMA, so it might react to that area. Du-du-du. This is the second candle. It's supposed to be a good one, but it doesn't look like the momentum is not that strong. Right, so let's keep browsing. And let's see if we can find opportunities. Okay, cool, cool, cool. I think this one is the one. USD, USD. I think this one is losing the momentum. He's done a downtrend, as you could see, but the momentum is very, very weak. So we're gonna wait and see how this one's gonna close, and we're potentially gonna take a sell position on the next candle. But the momentum is very weak. Seems like sellers, buyers are still pushing up. So let's have a look at the next candle. Um, not much momentum. I was about to say, let's see if he pushes up a little bit so we can enter, so we can try to get a better position. Right. Mm. So let's have a look at the next candle. Okay, we are in. Let's see if he pushes down, pushing up. Very weak momentum. Ooh, we got it. Damn it. We got it. That was a close call. 1 point. 1 point. I was getting ready for the second one, but yeah, it's very, very indecisive. That's why I didn't place a trade on this one because the momentum is just not there. You know, it's gonna crunk down eventually, but the momentum is just not there. And when that happens, because we just play 10 seconds trade, you know, is not great for us. If you place a minute trade, then you know, you can place it comfortably, but 10 seconds is not much time, so you need the momentum. All right, so we just need 150 or 149. So let's see if we can find an opportunity. Okay, now he's dumping hard. That's what we want to see, a hard dump. Yeah, now he's dumping hard. But we left it already. Right. Polka dot. Let's have a look here. You can see that he's going up very strongly, but he's breaking the cycle. Looks like it. Let's have a look. Polka dots. So polka dot is on the uptrend. You can see right here, but he's breaking the cycle, so we might not have a continuation to the upside. The momentum is getting weak. It's consolidating a lot, or it might go up. It's getting back to the trend. So let's have a look. Mm, no, forget it. Momentum is shifting. Okay, Polygon, second candle. We already missed it. Let's check stocks. American Express. This is the second candle. It might be a third candle. It's on a good uptrend. We just had a pull back. So it might consolidate a little bit because this is an area where it consolidated in the past. It was resisting at some point and became support. So we're expecting this one to have a continuation to the upside. So the trade over here is going to be a buy trade. So let's see how it's going to play out. Seems like it's going to go sideways a little bit. So we can say something like this. So it was resistance at some point, became support there, and it's finding support now. So if then you know, breaks below this support zone, then the support is broken, and we'll have a continuation to the downside. It's been on the uptrend, but at the same time, if it reverses, then excuse me, we'll have a continuation to the upside. But it's going further down below the 50 SMA, so most likely it's not going to recover. Look at this dump; it's a big dump. So most likely it's not going to recover from that. This is not the trade we wanted to do. We wanted to buy. This is a sell trade, so we are sort of going against the trend, so it can be a tricky one. So we just leave it alone. Don't touch it. All right, let's see if we can find something else. These are, we got very small candles here. Even though it's touching the 50 SMA, we got very small candles. So it can be a risky trade. Right, so nothing there. So let's go back to currencies. quick look. Okay, we got area JPY here. It was on a downtrend. He came sideways, and now it's revisiting the 50 SMA. So let's see what's going to happen here. We need a doji candle, a green doji candle, and then we're going to go on the next one. So this one is looking good. It's losing the momentum, which is good. So we're expecting to buy here. We're expecting a continuation to the upside. So let's see. This one might be a red candle again. Okay, so this, we'll see. Still got 20 seconds for this candle. If this is the first candle, we're going to go on the second candle. It has to be green. Keeps on pushing. So it's coming over here to the resistance area from the past. Let's see how it's going to play out. So we can draw a line here, rectangle. We can see. What the hell? Can say something like this. So in the past, it was resistance. So now it's finding support, hopefully. So it was resistance, got rejected, 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 and eventually broke through. So now it's testing this resistance zone. Is where he at right now. So we are expecting to see a reversal in the trend in this dump and a continuation to the upside. But if it go deep in this resistance zone, then the reversal might not happen, and we're just gonna see a dump. But the momentum is slowing down, so we got the green doji candle there, so that potentially is the shift in the trend, and we're gonna see a continuation to the upside. But it might go sideways for a bit. Right now it's a bit risky, and it keeps on pushing down, so we'll see. Seems like it's gonna go sideways for a bit. Meantime, let's have a look around and see if something is happening while we keep on the lookout on this one. Oh, this was a beautiful one. Oh, this one's the one where we trade right there. So we got, I think was the second or third candle. That was a beautiful one. Okay, this one seems like he's heading towards the 50 SMA again. So we might have this scenario again happening right here. So he's breaking down below, so he's not gonna go up. This one I would like to see it come over here to the 50 SMA and get rejected. The momentum is slowing down. So the momentum is slowing down. So we might see a continuation again. It's getting very close to the 50 SMA. That doesn't mean he's going to touch it though. But if he's getting close, that's a good sign. He's doing lower highs, lower lows, which is good to see. So now we're just waiting. It's a waiting game now. You can see the momentum is slowly slowing down. We're looking for a red dodgy candle. Sometimes you don't have red dodgy candles. Like over here, we didn't have the red dodgy candle, but the momentum slowed down there. Okay, let's wait for the next candle. This one looks good. It's looking good. It's pushing up still. So it's still not on a downtrend yet. Still not on the dump yet. Buy is still there buying. But we can see the candle is getting very weak. And like I said, when there is no momentum, it's a very tricky play because you only got 10 seconds. And if it barely moves, then you're potentially going to lose that trade. You need a candle with momentum. This one is not having any momentum at all. Very weak. Yeah, very weak still. Slowly going down, but it's not the ideal candle for us. We want strong candles, like this one's right here. Yeah, there is no momentum here. Right, let's move along. Okay, this one, BRL. Okay, it's getting momentum. Okay, seems like it's getting momentum now. This one is already pumped. Yeah, this one over here, it's very indecisive. Was expecting a continuation to the downside and not a green candle like we're seeing right now. Okay, looks like it's gonna push. Let's see what happens. Yeah, still very indecisive. It can be a very risky trade here. So let's move along. Doo-doo-doo. Okay, we have an AUD card here. It's reaching the 50 SMA. We were in the downtrend. It went sideways for a bit, and let's see if he's going to get rejected from the 50 SMA and going to have a continuation to the downside. The reason why I decided to stop on this one because it pumped over here, as you can see, and then we got some red candles here. Momentum was shifting, and I was expecting to see a continuation to the downside, but if this one keeps on pumping hard as it is right now, then we're not going to see the continuation to the downside. You're just going to see the sideways movement, like has been seen right now in the past. So yeah, I thought this one would go down, but it doesn't look like it. So we're going to keep scrolling, see if we can. Oh, this one is no let you see. See if we can find an opportunity. This one, it broke below the support right there. Seems like it's coming back, and we found support from the previous low. It might take a while. Right. So yeah, this one is definitely not going down. Okay, we got the American Express again. I'm expecting to get rejected around this area. I'll explain to you shortly. So we could see that we were tracking this one. We came over here to this support area and it broke below, as you can see right here. So I'm expecting to get rejected and have a continuation to the downside as we are on a downtrend. So let's see how it's going to react to this area right here that we drew shortly. Mm, 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 mm. So the momentum is slowing down, which is what we want to see. We want to see a continuation to the downside. So the play here is going to be a sell play. So it's entering that zone there. So let's see, it's picking the 50 SMA. Okay, it's pushing up. So what we want to see is continuation to the downside. Momentum is getting weak. Sellers are losing power. We want to see buyers coming, sellers, well, buyers are losing power. We want to see sellers coming in and push the price down. Well, seems like it's not going to happen. I thought it would happen on this candle here, but it's not happening. This one is too messy to go. Yeah, I was expecting sellers to push the price down. Facebook. Not much is happening right now, guys. I think I'm just gonna call it quits. Okay, this one is on the uptrend. It might consolidate a little bit. This one. So this one here, it's on the uptrend, is doing higher highs. So we're just expecting to see a continuation to the upside. Okay, this might be the first candle, but it's not that strong. Okay. Wait, what's going on here? Let's see how this candle goes. Okay, so we might take the next candle. That was a weird candle. So let's get ready for the next one, because we might get the next one. Oh, no. Ooh. Oh, it's a bit too crazy. I think it's too risky to enter this play. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a bit risky to enter this one. It's a very bearish engulfing candle. So it just engulfed these two previous candles. So that's not a good sign. So it might take a while for this one to go to the upside, if it's going to continue to go to the upside. All right, let's have one last look. And if nothing comes up, then we're done for today. Well, for now. Okay, this one, GUD, GBP. So this one might be coming to test the, what is it? No, AUD. Might coming to test the 50 SMA. So we might catch this one. Sometimes it doesn't touch the 50 SMA. So it seems like it's already pulling back. Let's see how the next candle looks like. Okay, it's pushing. Let's see if it pulls up a little bit. I missed the opportunity. And one thing that I need to start doing is just take the trade. Take the trade. If I strongly believe that it's going to go down, take the trade as soon as the candle open. And then, based on that, if it keeps on pushing down, yeah, perfect. But if it doesn't push down, then you place the second trade. That's what I need to start doing. Sometimes I just look at a candle, freeze, and don't do anything. But I was right, because look at this. Instead of going down, it is going up. So it seems like it's going to come to the 50 SMA, test it, and then um, potentially will go down. So we got one high here, one high here. So let's see. It's very close to the 50 SMA. You're looking for a dodgy candle, a red dodgy candle. But yeah, sellers not in control here, even though we are in a downtrend. Sellers are not in control. Okay, we got the red. Oh, no. I was about to say we got the red dodgy candle. So we might see the price coming very close to this line right here. Let me draw it here so you can see it. We might see the price going there or getting very close before it gets rejected. If the trend is true and the pattern is right, of course. So we might see the price coming close to this green line here. We can see the price momentum is already slowing down. Momentum is already slowing down. So let's see how this candle is going to close. Sellers, buyers still in charge, still pushing. Okay, it's pushing up, not far from that line. And even though you might be thinking, why didn't you go up there with the trend? Even though it might come to this line right here, I'm not going with the trends because we are on a downtrend. Okay, we are doing lower highs and lower lows. So I'm gonna go with the trend. So the trend is down, so I'm gonna go down because if I place a buy and then all of a sudden decides to push down, then we're gonna get burned. But if you place a sell, and if it pulls up, the chances of pulling down back down again are likely because we are going with the trend. So yeah, the momentum is getting weak and weak, but is coming towards this line as you can see. And the question is, let's see what's going to happen once it reaches that line. So the ideal scenario is to reach that line and get a dodgy candle and then a push down. So you can place the trade and that's it, we out. So it's getting very close to the line. That doesn't mean that it's going to touch the line though. It's just a guide for me. But it's coming very close to it. So let's see what's going to happen. Over here already touched it. So let's see if it's going to react and reject or nothing's going to happen. It's going to continue to go up. Okay, right there. It touched the line. Let's see what's going to happen in the next candle. So it picked. So he's losing momentum. Losing momentum. We got the red candle. Okay, that's what we want to see. So if this one ends up red, we might take the next trade. Let's have a look how it's going to end up. No, that's not the candle we want. In the red candle here. But yeah, seems like he's not going to stop there and he's going to keep on pushing. So yeah, we just let it go. Okay, it's coming back down. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's gonna retract. But the momentum is slowing down. But it will be a risky trade. Okay, let's have a look around. One last look, and if nothing is up, I'm out of here. Meantime, I'm on the lookout for this one. Seems like it's slowing down now. Feels like where's your here? Feels like it's gonna finally come down. Well, the looks of it. So maybe not. We're only seeing green candles. Is this the push? Yeah, this is a risky trade. I'm out of here. I ain't even not even gonna touch it because it's not doing what we want it to do. So you might as well leave it while you're ahead, then try and get burned because it doesn't look like it's gonna go down. Even the momentum slowed down. it doesn't mean it's gonna go our way. So let's have a look at cryptos. This chart is not the strongest. Yeah, it feels like nothing else is going on. So American Express, I thought it would come over here and get rejected, but it keeps on going up. So that's it. Right, not much is happening, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna wrap it up. Leave it as it is. I'll try again later. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.